I'm Tracy Whitmire, CEO and co-founder of Gripp. So Gripp has a couple of products. First is a tracking product for equipment owners. So we take these QR codes, assign it to a piece of equipment. Anything a farmer thinks is important enough to track that they rely on for their daily success. Pumps, pivots, tractors, irrigation, implements, tillage, whatever. Allows them to keep track of all sorts of digital records, conversations, maintenance reminders, videos they create to train, videos that manufacturers have, all the above. That product turned into a second product we call equipment relationship management, and it really allows owner-operator type farms to bring now dealers, manufacturers in to communicate with them on one platform. We've got manufacturers, dealers, tagging their equipment at the factory, at the sales time, at servicing time, and it's bringing all the information that farmers usually go to Reddit or Google or YouTube for when they're looking for a repair. It preloads all the maintenance reminders that nobody looks at the paper book for, and then allows them to communicate and support their customers in real time using chat, phone calls, that type of thing, instead of sending all that information to personal accounts. Yeah, we won the AA50 award. Very proud of that. Allows us to be recognized across some of the largest sort of equipment companies in the ag space, and super proud of that. Super proud to work with FEMA and the Farm Equipment Association, with their needs and demands in the market. Yeah, one thing is just simple translation. So we've got a lot of smaller OEMs supporting a global distributed customer base. So if you're manufacturing in the States, you're probably selling to Ukraine, Russia, Kazakhstan, Spain, Italy, all over the place. And so we translate a lot of that communication support issue. So you've got a team in the US, 2-3 people now supporting a global community without having to put boots on the ground. Check us out at grip.ag. We're working with all sorts of different operations. We'd love to hear from you and see what you think.